Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to reproduce this letter engraved on the edge of a wall. With this tutorial, you will learn to use the isometric drawing guide and how to fill color with the selection tool. You can get the same color palette for free in the Creative Vault thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. Select the color background layer on your layers panel. Then choose this light yellow color from the color palette and tap Done. Now select this pink color. Tap the first layer of your layers panel, then Fill Layer. Tap the transformation tool and make sure snapping is on. Then slide the layer to the left to get to the middle of your canvas. Now let's add the drawing guide. Go to the Actions menu, Canvas, toggle on Drawing Guide, then tap Edit Drawing Guide. Choose the isometric guide at the bottom of your screen. If you want to learn more about the drawing guide options, I invite you to watch this video. The most relevant slider to adjust below is the grid size. For my canvas, I set it to about 40 pixels. Then for the other sliders, you can adjust the opacity, thickness and color of the drawing guide. Then tap Done at the top right. First, we need to create the right side of the letter. Create a new layer. Select this blue color from the color palette. Tap the selection tool. Choose freehand mode and make sure color fill is on. Create a first rectangle at the bottom like this using the drawing guide. Then a shorter one above it. And add a new rectangle on top at the same size as the first one and the same distance from the second one. Then connect them by creating a large rectangle on the left side. Now, duplicate this layer and put it on top. Tap on it. Then tap Clipping Mask. If you want to learn more about Clipping Mask, I invite you to watch this video. Then select this purple color from the color palette. Then drop the color on your layer. Create a new layer above and also add Clipping Mask. select the pink color from the left side of your canvas, tap the selection tool, freehand mode, and color fill turned on. Then create two rectangles that follow these two parts of the right side of the canvas using the isometric guidelines. Now create a new layer below the last one. This will automatically be a clipping mask. Select this dark purple color from the color palette and create a rectangle by joining the intersection of these two isometric guidelines. And do the same thing with the two above. Now you can hide the drawing guide. Let's add a gradient inside each layer to add more depth to the letter. First, we need to put all of these layers in AlphaLock. If you want to learn more about AlphaLock, I invite you to watch this video. Slide from left to right with two fingers on your layers. For each layer that corresponds to color inside your letter, take the darker version in the color palette and take from the airbrushing brush set the soft brush and use it in the darkest place inside your letter, which is in the middle of your canvas. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste, go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen Layer, slide to adjust to around 50%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration in Layer Mode, slide to adjust to around 5%, go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise Layer, and slide to adjust to 5%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!